If you look for tutorials on how to use contextual animation plugin in C++, you will mostly find blueprint example. So that's why I am making this video to show you how to use contextual animation plugin in C++. For basic setup, you obviously need to enable two plugins, contextual animation and motion warping. Next, in your build.cs file, you need to add contextual animation to dependency module names. At this point, you must recompile the project, otherwise you won't be able to include any contextual animation headers. After the setup, you can read the source code in this part. Now I'll show you the most common usage. First, any actors that participate in the contextual animation must have a use contextual animation actor component, and it needs to be attached to the root component.